How's it going? I would like to share some of these screens today. Okay, we're gonna start with this map or chart I have put in March 27th. So today is 23rd of April. And as you can see right here, it's not about I told you so and stuff like this. It's not about this. We are mature adult people, and we know what's going on in the market. No one can be right everything 100% all the time. It just so we can review, we can learn from something. Maybe it benefit us in the future. Okay. So I have made a full video about Bitcoin must reach 73 to avoid divergence. Okay, that was listed March 27th. I can share the link with you guys right here, so you can check it out. Sorry. Right here, copy. Okay, so you can also check this out. So it says Bitcoin next target 69. Okay. And head and shoulder target. So if this would continue up, that would be the target, first target. To avoid divergence target, we need to reach 73. Okay. What happened if we don't get divergence? By what time? What date? By April 18th. Look at this time. That was listed March 27th. That's 18 plus 3 days, 21 days ahead of time. We will have divergence. What does it mean when we have a divergence? Okay, where the price may be looking going up, the MACD right down here is going to be going down, and that's a selling point. Okay, that's a selling indication. That's a trend reversal. Okay, and this was highlighted to give you indication this could be coming down. Okay, so if Bitcoin does not reach 72 76 area by 18th of April, we will have divergence, and it could fall hard to 44 again. Okay, guys, so let's see what happened. No doubt. Okay, you can see it's following the red line, exactly right there. See, it did go up, it almost touched right there, and it's following. It's this support is very important sitting at right now. If this does not hold, we're gonna fall all the way down here, this red box. Okay, you just need to know this was put in March 27th. So I'm not making something up right now. I have shared with you guys this link so you can check it out. This is more educational, okay? It's not about saying, oh, I was right, blah, blah, blah. It's not about this, okay? It's just about educational. So we were able, by technical analysis, to forecast the future 21 days ahead of time. If something doesn't happen, if the Bitcoin will not reach 73, it will have a divergence. It's plain in the chart. It's written in the chart. Okay. What happened if we don't have a divergence? It's a trend weakening. Okay. It's a reversal sign. So that will be the scenario. The red one, if Bitcoin will not reach, will not make a new high, and the new high must be very strong to reach 73 to just make sure this strong momentum in the MACD will continue. Okay. So if the Bitcoin will reach something, see like this, it did reach 64. 64 is divergence. It's a trend reversal. It was weakening. So it was a big sign that the trend was coming down. Okay. That's why also I have put multiple signals right there in this area to give a sell right here. Okay, guys, you can also check these ones. You're gonna find a lot of signals, sell signals right here in this one. Okay. So far, going forward, we still don't have a buy signal at all. This could be a trend reversal, and we can see much lower levels. Can the Bitcoin go 20,000? Yes, it could be. Who never knows, right? Who would ever imagine it would have gone to 50,000? Okay, but previously when it was $1, it is like get you 100 Bitcoin or more. Okay, so everything's possible in the market. Okay, guys. So this is possibly can continue going down. It's very risky to buy now. Don't buy this dip yet. There is no sign yet. There is no buy yet. Okay. So please make sure don't jump in and buy something because it's $51,000. Imagine this was only, at the beginning of the year was $6,000, and it did come further down. Okay, below 6,000 also. Okay, so make sure you don't get stuck in a buy here. We are reversing strongly. Okay, so this one here, we got some stuff and some comments. Great, thank you. Do you to remember this in the case? Okay, anyway, so let's see that was one previously buy, okay, and that was good one. We did catch this one. It was really nice. It was very detailed one, exactly when to buy, when you break this level. It's very important to follow the instructions, okay? Then we've got this one. It did have all the possible scenarios. This first, second scenario. Then if you would avoid divergence, you need to continue. If you will not, then you will fall down. See what happened? You did go to get those targets. See the second target right there. You need to continue to avoid this. It didn't happen. It did crash all the way down here, okay? Then we've had this sell right here. Was very clear. See that, guys? Was very nice sell right here. We've got this one. See, it's still below this. It did break this level, and it's below this level. In order to buy, guys, we need to jump back above this 57 level. See that level? It need to break it to the upside. It need to come with a strong momentum above 57. All that stuff. This could potentially be a correction for a strong down move. Be careful, okay? I'm not saying it has to go down or it has to go up right now. I'm saying technically it's not a buy yet. Okay, it's your choice what to do. Okay, so, and that was also another signal. See that ABCD formation right there? It's like bang. See that? Okay. What we were saying here, if it did come to this level, that would be a correction. If you get a price action to reverse from here, buy. But if you don't get a price action, then there's no buy. Of course, it did break like very fast and it did go sharp. Okay. Everybody was saying almost buy in this area, continue to buy, right? So we need to respect technical analysis. Okay, guys. From a technical side, this could be a bad chart. Okay, why? Because it did break this trend. This doesn't have to happen to go all the way to 41, but it's possible to happen. It's keep going down. It's keeping going down. So once it did break this trend line, I have put this one to say Bitcoin broke up. As if that's broke down. Okay, broke down trend. That's looking ugly. Ugly means farther down is possible. All the way down to here is possible. Doesn't have to happen, but it's possible. Okay. Also, if you do look at the MACD, that was a very clear sell right there. Okay, just very sharp, and this, you know, is okay, guys. So okay, let's join. Let's look at what's going on in the market as a whole. Okay, guys, we're looking at coin market cap right here. And you can see this is Bitcoin. The market cap right now is less than 1 trillion. Okay, it did fall $900 billion right there. Then right there, in the 7 days, last 7 days, it did crash 18%. Okay, the 24 hours, it's 4% down. It's going down basically 5% almost every day. Okay, so be careful from this one so far. Ethereum on the other side is still holding a little bit, but still down for the week. Okay, and you can see the chart is red. The Binance coin also did fall a little bit. It almost reached 600 or so. Okay, then it did fall. XRP is the same scenario right there. Okay, you have the Tether is the same scenario. Cardano also is falling really hard. Okay, guys. Dogecoin, it did make a big boom, then bang down. Okay, so it was like a big trap. Okay, you can see almost everyone right there is in the loss. Very few little ones. Uniswap is a little bit still 8% down for the 7 days. So the market is in a panic mode, sell off, and this is expected to continue. Okay, guys. So we're still expecting this to continue. So be careful from this one. The market is no strong buy yet. Okay, so we are back here to our chart. You can see in the long one there was starting to get some momentum. It's like bang again here. Okay, see this area right there? That was again to the downside, still downside. There is no strong buy yet. Also, the smaller MACD right here, guys, if you can see this one. See, you can see this one right here. That started a sell again. There is no buy yet. So don't rush to buy yet. Okay? So don't rush to buy this one yet. It's still under pressure. Okay? If there is any question, please pass it in the comment so we can discuss it together. So I just wanted to share with you guys the market is not ready yet to jump in and buy strongly and stuff. So be careful from this one. Please, if you do have any questions, you can share it in the comment section. Okay, let's jump to the MT4 just to get another view. Guys, so looking at the MT4 right now, that was a clear sell signal right here. You can see this sell right there. Okay, that's the first one, and that's the second one, and that's in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, if someone wants to buy now, see that, see this start here, that's a correction. I believe this can as a correction. Okay, so we're in a correction phase right now. As a correction, if we will take this like this way, okay guys, and copy this one down here, just like this, this correction may go up a little bit, okay, to the upside here, sorry, here, okay, then come to this trend line, and at the trend line it will decide if it's gonna break to the upside and go back up here and even higher, or it's gonna bounce back. Okay, so if someone is going to buy, it's a little bit risky because I wouldn't recommend buying before we break above this trend line here to be in a bullish strong move to the upside. Okay, so for buy I would recommend to wait. Okay, so that's what's going on with the Bitcoin. We would like to wait to break above the trend line. Okay, guys, you can see the previous signals and stuff. Okay, so that's APCO trading system available in our website, I guess. Okay, guys. So you can get the buys where you know where to enter, where you put your stop loss. So that's the start of a signal right here. We can take this off. Okay, that's the start of a signal right here. You take this buy. As long as you are good at the trend line, it didn't break the trend line, you're good. You hold your buy. You can buy again with the new arrow right there. Okay, and also it's gonna give you information right here at the top left. Right now the major trend is down. The minor trend is also down. The signal type is a sell. The enter, that's the latest signal at that time frame. What does it mean? If you go to another time frame, you're getting it another signal, and so on. And also you can control the sensitivity of the stop loss. So just watch out this area right there. See right here, this stop loss. Just see it. It's gonna go up and down. See, it moves, right? Yeah. So you can control the stop loss. Usually is good between 1.2 to 2 levels right there. It's usually good at this level. Okay. So if you take this cell, your stop loss right there. When you enter from this cell, you go and you enter with the first green candle. Okay. You take this buy and you hold it. You can take a target as a specific point. So let's say you put 1,000 points target and you take it and you get out, or you can wait till you get the first candle, or you can wait till you get a sell signal and break below the trend line. Okay, it's depends on what kind of appetite you do have for risk and patience in the market and all that stuff. Okay, so you take this buy from here, you continue with this buy, of course. You can exit when you get this candle, red one, or when you get a specific target you're happy with. You move. Uh, Also, for a longer term, you can hold it as long as it's above the trend line right here. Okay, guys. The same scenario right here for all these buys and this sell right there. Okay. Uh, this sell here may enter a stop loss because once you get in here, just didn't take much to go back, or break even or so. This buy was good. That's why. See, we right now we are here, guys. Okay, just let's learn from the best. Right now we are here in this area. Okay, right there. See, that's what I'm saying. See, we are here now. Okay, what happened? Two scenarios, right? This may fall further down. Okay, correct? Or maybe could be something like this, what we have right now, and break to the upside. Just to be safe, usually it's good to wait till the trend line will turn green or blue, and you buy above the trend line right here. That's much safer. Okay, just to make sure you have a stronger momentum and stuff. Okay, so that was also, it's also color coded. If you notice these candles, see these candles, they will look in the regular MT4 like green, right? Because that was up. Okay, so if I go and just put like clean one, gets clear. Yeah, see, you have these candles look like this, right? You have red and green. You didn't know where to buy, where to sell. But with the trading system like there, it's color coded. So all these ones were red because this up move was considered to be a correction, just like this. Okay. So it also helps to know where to buy, where to sell, and stuff. Okay, I'll just jump into some for the Australian start being strong against the USD. So possibly gold is going up now. Okay, Canadian also is going up. Okay, so Canadian Japanese yen is possibly start to be a buy and stuff. Okay. Also, guys, here, if you trade into Forex and stuff, you can see that's how to buy and how to sell. So this was a sell. That was a beautiful buy right here. So you take this buy, your stop losses right here. And with this trade, you make 2,070 bips. If you take it even to here, you make 200 bips. Okay. So that's how it works. The Dow Jones is the same scenario. We're waiting for this sell. EuroCAD still down because the Canadian news. The DAX also, see guys, we were expecting this move down. It was beautiful. We discussed already the Bitcoin. Euro Japanese yen, we have been saying it's down also. Okay guys, please, if you don't have any question, you can share it before we finish. Also, it does work in stock and everything, guys. If you are in any stock and stuff, you can see that it works in anything. as long as it's available in the MT4. You go to the 1 hour time frame. See that? I guess Wall Street will love this system. It's beautiful. So it gives you this buy, beautiful buy. Once you get out, once you enter again, once you enter again, it's an amazing system. Tesla. Okay, let's check Tesla. What's going on with Tesla? See that you can't buy and sell. It's very difficult, right? It's, you can use price action and stuff. I guess we know about this, right? But makes it easy. See, it makes it really easy, very clear. Would you trade the previous one or this one? I for sure I would trade this one, right? You go 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it just gives you where to buy, where to sell. So right now Tesla started this ride. I will not buy till it dips down, then it comes something like this. It breaks again above the blue line, and that will be your buy right here. Okay. PayPal is the same thing. Okay, so you've got this one right here. That's see the Ethereum right here is going crazy. That's the second buy right here. See, that was a buy, continuously going still right there. That was huge buy. That's Ethereum divided by Bitcoin, guys, because the Bitcoin is falling and the Ethereum is holding a little bit. Okay. Uh, See, that's a great thing. Okay. See, if you take a buy from here, start seeing this red candle, you will be getting out. You guys, you can see where to get out, right? That's your buy continuously. Start right here. You can get out if you trade the 4 hour time frame. If you trade the 1 hour time frame, is very clear right here. See, that's when you get out. Okay. If you guys want, uh, there is training available, guys. If anyone interested in training, please text me. We have a full training course. Okay. Uh, And if you have any question, you guys feel free to text me anytime for any question. Thank you. And as we said, the Bitcoin, I don't think is ready. It may go a little bit correction, a little bit up first. So my view right now, we are going in this trend down. Okay, that's possibly the second move right here, something like this. In order to buy, we need to break above this level right there. We need to break here. Okay. If you don't break this 56, 57 level, there is no buy yet. It's very risky. Okay. Also, if you want to look at multiple like templates and stuff, okay, guys, as we can see, that's another set of template. This orange one is also like a moving average, but it does contract and show you when there is a reverse on a little bit of stuff. You can see it did fall from the 50 moving average right there, and it did come to touch it. Then it did fall down again. So there was a previous support, this white one. It did bounce a little bit from the support. You can also look at the MACD, the down one. It's a longer term MACD trend change. So from April 18th, this big fall, a little bit previously, the uptrend was dying, and that's what I was talking about at the beginning. The uptrend was dying, and there was either a big correction to the downside or there was a reverse. Okay, and that's what we have seen. So and the small, the upper MACD is just showing when the small buys and sells you can take in the trend. But the overview, the big one is we still in a bearish trend right now. Okay, so this big correction or this reversal, there is no buy yet. There is no buy signal yet. Okay, don't jump to buy before we break above 56 level or so. Okay, guys. So I hope this will help. Okay.